Name is Bird.
Bert Macklin. Plasma car guy. Look how gracefully he moves. Amazing. And there he goes. Preparing to make his sail. But has she heard him? Attempt 2 for Plasma Car Man. With his new assistant, who will ring the doorbell as she goes. Oh, brilliant. And here he goes. And there he goes. Oh no. His sail has been made, and he has left his offering of a pagoda. How brilliant. And yes. However, his pagoda has gone unnoticed, and so Plasma Car Man returns with a heavy heart. But join us for next episode, in which his pagoda will hopefully be received by a more willing guest. That's all for now.